A lot of people are making money by managing faceless channels using AI. We are in the era of AI. I don't want to lie to you. You don't have to left out. So as I was saying, today I want to show you something, how you can create faceless music and earn from it. The music will be yours. While you do not have to hold a mic, you do not have to go on stage. You just create and post on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And once you reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watching hours, you'll get monetization partnership program. On Facebook, if you reach 6,000 minutes and 10,000 followers, you also get monetized. So guys, stay with me while I'm going to break down all these things. By the way, this is Startup Plug Academy, the home of business. We have startup builders here. So if you do not yet subscribe to our channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss out each and every video that we are going to do, because it's very valuable in your life. And I'm telling you guys, I'm going to go step by step on each and every detail. I'm going to break down AI so that you can benefit from it. So guys, stay with me, stay tuned. Thank you. So this is what we do when you create faceless music. As you can see, I'm going to show you my screen on my laptop. I'm going to create music step by step so that you don't left out on it. So this is what we do. As I was saying, you go on Google and then you type ChatGPT. That's the first process. You know, a lot of people, they know ChatGPT, but they don't know how to use it effectively. But today I want to show you something. I want to show you a magic here. So once we come on ChatGPT, we ask it a question, we give it a prompt. So now I'm giving it act as a 20-year hitmaker in gospel, Afro-fusion, and give me one powerful midnight song. Then we click enter. So as you can see, then we click enter here. Here is our song. So I am Whole Africa. I've got my channel on YouTube. If you search, it's Whole Africa. So ChatGPT already knows me. So as you can see, this is its song related to me and my channel. So once the lyrics are there, we copy the lyrics. We copy them. Yeah, we copy them like this. Then we click copy. Then after we copy our lyrics, now we came on Suno AI. So if you come on Suno, we click on Suno. So here on Suno, we have got a free version, a free plan, where you can create up to 50 songs. You can create up to 50 songs per day for free. But if you create using a free version, you do not have the right to the commercial use of the songs, meaning you can't upload them to YouTube, Facebook, on a channel whereby you want that channel to be monetized, because those songs, they had a copyright claim. So if you want to post your music on YouTube, Instagram, for you to earn money from the songs, you should have something like, you should be on a premier plan or a pro plan, which is $8 a month, or if you bill it on yearly basics, or it's $10 a month when you bill it per monthly. So as you can see me, I did it on monthly basics. So now we want to create our song. Here we are. This is our dashboard. So we come here and paste our lyrics here like this. This is our lyrics. We paste them. Then after we paste them, we come here back to ChatGPT. Now we want it to give us a prompt for the instrument to use. So what we are going to do, we are now going to say, now give me the Suno prompt. The Suno prompt to use. The Suno prompt to use. The Suno prompt to use, and we click enter. And we click enter like that. So here is our prompt for our song. So we just copy the prompt, we copy like this. Oh, I'm making an error. Yeah, we copy it like this. Then we click copy. Then we come back to Suno. We scroll down here. And on style here, now we paste it there. We paste it there. So that's our lyrics. So we click, we give the title to the song, Midnight Hour. Midnight hour, or midnight, let's just say midnight prayer song. Then we click enter. Now our song is generating. It took up to maybe 1 minute once we wait for our song to generate. So as we are going to wait for our song to generate, this is what we do. And you can make money by these songs. You can now create business songs to advertise some of the people's businesses. You can now create promotional songs, birthday songs for some other people, and you charge per song. You charge per song. So we are waiting for our song to generate. We are waiting for our song to generate. We are waiting for our song to generate. And also, please guys, to those who are still joining, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please tell us what exactly you need to know about AI, about how you can make money online, even in the comment section, or you can just come to my Facebook page where and DM me. I will just reply you straight to inbox. I want us to be millionaires. I want us to create money in this 2026. So stay tuned, stay with us, where we are going to break each and every detail down on how you can use AI effectively. So we are waiting for our song. And it's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. We are waiting for our song. We are waiting for our song. Oh. In this 2026, guys, you don't have to miss out. This is the era of AI, and it's time to make money. A lot of people are making money while they are asleep, and some other they are making money, and they are not telling you how you can do it. But here we are. Here we are. You see, it gives you 2 songs, so you choose which one works for you the best. So you can see the first one is already done. We are waiting for the second one. So let me just play it. This is our first song, which is playing there. You can hear it. This is it.
When the world is sleeping, I'm awake in your presence. Tears on my pillow, but I still feel your essence. Darkness all around, but my spirit sees light. Every heavy burden bows in the night. The clock strikes 12, heaven opens wide. Angels standing with me on every side. I may be alone in this quiet room, but your fire is burning, chasing the gloom. Father, hear my cry, let my worship rise like incense in the sky. I won't let this night pass me by. At my midnight altar, I call your name, Yahweh, Yahweh. You never change, chains are breaking in the silence. Mountains move without the violence. At my midnight altar, fire fall down, turn my tears into a crown. When the battle feels too long, you are my midnight song. Enemies whisper, but I'm not afraid. Your word is the weapon you already made. Even in shadows I stand so bold, covered in mercy, wrapped in gold. Mama pray for nights like this, where heaven and earth would gently kiss. I feel revival in my veins, dancing in freedom, no more change. Jehovah Jireh, see me through. Every promise you will do. Though the night feels deep and long, I found my strength in this song.
So this is our song. I think you can hear it very well. So as I was saying, you can make a lot of money by doing these things. You upload your music on Spotify, Apple Music, and once you do that, you make money. You make a lot of money by doing those things. On the Apple, Spotify, you collect your royalties. Once a person uses your song, you will get a percentage of money that you are going to be paid while you are asleep. By doing this, I don't want to lie to you. So guys, here we created a song in English. I've got a lot of songs that I created. If you want a Shona song, you can now just come here to ChatGPT and you tell it, create me a Shona song, make the lyrics perfectly flow with the instrument in Shona version. Then it just gives you let me seek for one of my songs which I made in Shona here in my library. This is my library. This is my library. I've done, yeah. I've made one of my songs. This is one of them. I think it's a Shona version. This one, let's see. Let's try to hear it. This one.
This is only Africa music, where real love begins. Even in my brokenness, your grace finds me. Mazuva wangu wose ndakanganiswa, ndichimanya kure nekunzwa kuda kwenyu, asi rudo rwenyu haruna kundisiya, moyo wangu wakawana zororo renyu. I felt you lifted me again. I cried, you wiped my tears away. Every scar became a story of grace. Every sin, a shadow you erased. Moyo wangu wakachina, rudo rwenyu rwandisimbisa. Shwiri zvangu zvapera, nyasha dzenyu dzichagara nemisa.
So guys, this is AI generated music. This is AI generated music. So guys, it's time to make money. It's not time to sleep. It's not time to sleep. Let's just use this opportunity to make more money in this 2026. And I don't want to lie to you guys. A lot is coming. A lot is coming. A lot is coming. It's time to make money. I think you heard for you the song that I played over there is on my YouTube channel. To all those who need it, you are free to get it. So guys, please, let's connect to each other. Let's try to create some opportunities so that we make a lot of money. So this is it. This is Startup Plug Academy, the home of business. We build startup builders here, whereby we take people who are doing these things on ground, and we also do this AI thing step by step so that we don't miss out. Thank you guys. Stay with us. And also, I don't want to lie to you. All these things, it does not just happen overnight. You just have to work for it. It's a process. It's a process. Wealth does not be built overnight. It's a long process. So guys, stay with us. Stay with me. Thank you. This is the Startup Plug Academy. Thank you guys. Let's meet up until our next video. We drop these videos every week. We drop these videos Tuesday, Friday. So guys, stay in touch with us. Thank you. And also, your support is the best for us. That's what we need. Tell us what you think, your comments, what you need to hear from us, what you need to learn, so that we know we create all those things for you. Thank you guys.